Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn to be followed by BFP hymn. May we call on any announcement from different divisions and sections? Ma'am, sir.
Good day to all of us. Of course, our ERD for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan Incamo, sir, and our RDO, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel Sigalbuto, sir, my co-officers, my comrades, good morning to all of us. This is just a gentle reminder that I think we have forgotten that those outgoing duties must ensure cleanliness. Ato tanawang garon na si arte garon kita na pagtugon ko. O laro atong bangko maklaro kayo. And we will not be waiting for any measures that shall be taken by our RD. Kaya basi matayimingan natin bisita, yung nga namin itsura sa ato abong itong parang. Now, second, per observation, the EMC shall observe properly after the command of Balikupia. That's the time we have to announce for the flag raising ceremony announcement. Kasi ang pangit tingnan mo, nag-execute na ng salute. The senior officers have already tendered the salute. Ikaw yung last, parang ikaw yung highest mama no. So dapat kasabay ka sa NCO. Pag pronounce mo nun, mag-execute siya ng salute, sabay ka sa kanila. Ulit. And last but not the least, kuan siguro inyong i-rearrange. Kay pangit tanaw nga naka-raise mong right hand, hunong lang ka, kaya mo scan balik. Di ba? Imong microphone, tanawa ganina, tanawa ni mo. Iyang down yung right hand, kaya mo scan balik. Try to arrange this one na usara kabasahan, particularly kung mag-raise ka sa right hand, dili dapat mo nao. Kaya makita na sa tao nakita. So, kana naman siguro ang important reminders, and we hope that next time around we'll be able to get nearer to perfection. Hindi kita perfect, but at least nearer. We have to do this para po ma-amaze ang atong regional director. We are improving. We are improving because of this direction. Thank you, and good day to all of us. Lastly pala, congratulations, we have 77 present out of 95, and this is a very nice attendance. Thank you.
That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, Ipuan Mark Andrew II. See you, Bao. Thank you, and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Sa utawat ng Pilipinas, tumingin ng paintulot upang ilansag ang langay. Sa likod!